SongBook. SongBook is an extremely powerful feature of your HAVIAN 30. It's a programmable musical database. As you'll see in this chapter, it's perfect for customizing a style to suit a particular song, as well as keeping your MIDI files and MP3s organized. Press SongBook from the group of selection buttons. Basically, you have a list of song titles. These are called song entries. When you select a song entry, it automatically brings up a style, a standard MIDI file, a karaoke MIDI file, or an MP3 for you to use to perform that song. There are several already provided by Korg, and of course you can create your own. Notice that you can sort by different criteria by touching the top of each column. Touch the top of the name column. Touch a song entry. And touch Select. You're automatically taken to Style Play mode. The appropriate style has been called up to perform that song with the best choice of intro and variation. 4 STS are also saved with the song entry, as well as tempo, effects, and much more. Let's create our own songbook entry using a style. Press Exit to go to the Style Play mode homepage, and select from the Jazz category Fast Big Band 1. Press Exit. STS1. We can set the style up exactly how we want it to appear later, for example starting with Variation 2 with Intro 2 as the introduction. Always select the variation you want first, then the intro you want. Let's also slow down the tempo a bit and set it to 140 BPM. A quick way to save a song entry is to hold down the Songbook selection button. This takes us to the Save screen. It has the current name of the style. Touch T and name the song entry My Song. Touch OK to confirm the text. Touch OK, then Yes. Done. We made some basic changes to the style before saving it to SongBook, but as we saw in the Styles chapter, you can change the instrumentation of the style, make edits to any of the sounds, and much more, and then save it as a SongBook entry. And this can all be done without affecting the original style. Back to SongBook, and there's our song entry. Let's add a standard MIDI file to SongBook. The HAVIAN 30 doesn't come with any MIDI files or MP3s. All the song entries from the factory are set up to recall styles, so we'll use one of the standard MIDI files from the USB thumb drive. Like with the style we added, we set up everything how we want it and then save it to SongBook. Press Exit to leave SongBook, then go to Song Play mode. Select a MIDI file. As before, hold down the SongBook selection button to go to the Save screen. It has the current name of the standard MIDI file. We'll leave it as it is. Touch OK, touch Yes. We saved a MIDI file this time, but we could have saved an MP3 or a karaoke MIDI file to the SongBook using the same method. You can edit and add things to your SongBook entry later on. For example, let's add an STS and lyrics to the entry we just made. Back to SongBook. Choose another performance. Go to Book Edit 1 tab and select the STS Write Current box. And choose to save it to STS1. Book Edit 2 is where you can input information like the genre of the song and the artist. This helps when searching later for a type of song you want to play. You can even save the key info to remind you what key the song is in. Book Edit 3 has more parameters that can be saved with the song entry. For example, the status of the synchro start-stop if your song entry is a style. This is also where we add the lyrics. I've already used my computer to create a .txt file with the lyrics to this song and saved it to my USB stick. Touch Browse. Navigate to the USB drive. Touch the TXT file. And then select. OK, we're ready to save everything. Touch Write. We'll leave the name the same. Touch OK, then Yes to confirm. Now go to the Book tab and select the SongBook entry we just created. STS1 is just as we wanted. Press Lyrics, and there are the lyrics. However, this is just a text file, so the lyrics won't follow along. Use the scroll bar or the dial to advance to the next page of lyrics. Go back to SongBook. You may want to put together a particular list of songs. For example, songs you want to play when friends come over, or perhaps you're using the HAVIAN 30 to perform somewhere. You can prepare several custom lists using SongBook. Go to the Custom List tab. Here you can select which list you want. As you can see, Korg has included a few already. Once a list is selected, you simply touch the song you want. Then select. The song entry will turn green and it's ready to be played. You can touch Next to select the next entry in the list. Let's create our own list. Open the Page menu and check Enable List Edit, and then touch outside the menu. The List Edit tab becomes available. Touch it. You can either edit an existing list or create a new one. We want to create a new one, so touch New List. Then Yes. Now let's add the first song entry we made called My Song. Go to the Book tab. There are many song entries, so you can use the scroll bar or the dial to find the song. But let's use the search function to find our song. Press the search button. Type the name of what you're looking for. You can type in the whole name or just part of it. Type in My and touch Search. Here are all the SongBook entries with My in the name. There's ours. Touch it, then select. This search feature can be used in different modes to locate any resource, including styles, performances, etc. Now that we've selected the song, touch Add to List. Go to the List Edit tab, and there's our song. Let's go back to the Book tab and add another 2 songs. Back to List Edit tab. We can move the songs around by selecting a song entry and using the move up and down arrows. Once the list is ready, touch Right. Name it. Touch OK to confirm the text. OK, then Yes to save the list. Now open the Page menu and uncheck Enable List Edit. Touch the Custom List tab, and there's our list. Go to the Book tab. You'll notice that the names of the songs included are recognizable, but not the exact title you may be familiar with. But you can usually tell what song it's referring to. You can rename a song entry by selecting it, touching Book Edit 1, then Right. As always, touching the T takes you to the text input screen. For now, touch Cancel or Exit twice. Press Exit to leave SongBook. There's also a free SongBook editor for PC available for download from Korg.com. It's a powerful and useful tool that includes fast multiple import for standard MIDI files and MP3s, plus many editing features. A video explaining SongBook and the editor in detail can be found on Korg.com as well.